we don't have any more. And one, it's expensive. Two, it's gonna take about 4 days to come in. So we don't have that option when they'll be here tomorrow. So now the question is, what color do I make the remaining walls? I was able to get the back done, but as you can see, is a slight sliver right there. It's not done, so we're gonna paint that. And then other than that, it's the long wall is done and nothing else. So I guess the question is, what color are we doing the rest? Should I just make it black? Or should I go with a gray? I don't know. I hadn't planned on making it black. It was supposed to have all been wallpaper up top. All right, so here's what we're doing. See the difference in the colors? Here's the thing. If I had this color already, I'd be fine with just doing it this color. The problem is we don't have the color. It's only in the primer. So the question is, do I go back to the store and get like a small pint of just this color so that way we can have, I kind of feel like I should. Because iron ore was like gray, right? I do have the small thing of iron ore, so we could do iron ore, but I feel like it might not work. So how about this? We're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna get the iron ore. I'm gonna put it up against the wall. I'm gonna put it on the wall. We got the primer, and because of the primer, we can put it up and see what color it comes out. If it works, it works. And if it doesn't, we're gonna be painting the primer and then taking that to put the primer on something, take it to the store, and have them color match. That's our plan. Yep. So I'm back with pizza box. So this is what we had before. I don't feel like it's giving enough variation to be cute. It ain't even giving enough variation from that. So they could be like, ma'am, a pizza box will not work. All right, so here's what we're doing. See the difference in the colors? Let's pray. So what I decided to do was I put it on a piece of board. It's not even board, styrofoam. Hoping that works. Or if not, I do have the original. That is the original barcode with the, I believe this part right here, like right there, is the color codes. So just got back from Sherwin-Williams, and first of all, I know that guy hated to see me come because he just looked at me like, I know she ain't coming in here 5 minutes to time for him to go. Anyway, I got 3 different black blues to try. Not black blues, they are grayish blues. I got 3 different colors. I went for charcoal blue, which is actually, looking at this, looking pretty promising. We got mineral gray. And then lastly, we have, what was this? Smoky blue, which is the lightest of them all. And I feel like out of the 3, I have no clue. But we're going to do what I always do. We're going to test it on the wall this time. I wanted to get close to this color, but I'm okay if it's not and it's just similar. It's such a small area that I really feel like just a pint is good enough because you're only going to put like 1, maybe 2 coats. And if all else fails, I don't know what time they'll be back tomorrow. I just texted them to ask them, but I feel like it'll be early enough. Ooh, this is pretty. Can you see the color? The only problem with getting samples, ooh, that's nice and blue. They only do it in satin. That's my only problem with their samples. Okay. I like it. I think I already don't like this. I take it back. I mean, it's so funny. Look at it. So that's the color. The funny part is, as soon as I said I don't like it, when I put it up here, it looks pretty good. So we don't know today. So today is gonna be, we're gonna try this stuff out and see how it goes. And then we're gonna figure out which one we like the best. Going on the wall, I don't think I like it though. It is definitely lighter. Here's my problem. I don't think it complements the black. But that does. Like that, and this, cute. So I think we're already ruling out number 2. And number 3 is Mineral Gray. Super similar. Look at those. To me, that's super similar to Smoky Blue. I think it was Charcoal Blue. Ooh, it is similar, but giving me more hints of maybe purple, is it? What color are we seeing in here? All right, guys, what do you think? I don't hate it, but I hate to tell you, but I think I know which one I'm leaning towards. What do you think? This is the Mineral Gray, Smoky Blue. You see the difference? Ooh, let light catch it. Super close. And I think it's between those two. I said what I said. And then look against the black. Keep those, remember those. And then we're gonna pull back so you can see it gets with that. And I think that dark blue also helps. It doesn't quite go with that, but it's giving closest. All right, I know what you're thinking. Here's the thing. In the end, I had to think about it, and what we originally knew we wanted was black. So why mess with that? Why? Because in the end, me and him was both going back and forth. We liked the blue. I like the blue. He thought it was purple. And even though it's similar to my mom's cabinet, it wasn't perfectly my mom's cabinet. Looking at it dried, after I'd already gave him the okay to turn everything blue, it would have been pretty. But in the end, this works. They'll be home tomorrow. It is already going on like 6 o'clock. So let's just get this thing wrapped up. We still got to install a light. We got to install the vanity. And they want me to do their floor. I don't feel like it. Because that's so high. Who can look at it? You. It's always a tall man.
What I'm saying is...
Here, back up. I fully was aware that we was going over top of this.
Okay.
Like here is where I wanted. I guess the mirror could go up higher. Whew. Okay, so we let it sit right here. Get it out. Oh, I saw it was level already. I saw. I said, look at him doing everything quietly and on sneak tip. And there's no leaking. Whoop whoop. That's my baby. Here, if you want to test the wires, you can. Let's see, I just got it out that hole. It should be going back in that hole. What do you think? Is it cute enough for in there? Is it too dark? I don't think it's too dark. It's definitely moody though. What do you think? Black, which should be there. We're not here yet, so I'm gonna set you up right here. You can see all of the action because I want to see all of the face, so that way when she open the door, it'll be like, oh my god! All right, they coming. It's time. And by the way, subscribe if you like these type of videos. I do them all the time. Wallpaper. Did you? Yes! But the light is awesome.
This way, yeah.
But look at this thing.
I can see it.
I'm loving it. Ow! This is too cute. Too cute. Go on, y'all. You can tell you've been wearing all bird. Come on, y'all. They just yeah. Only thing I was worried about, the light isn't as bright as I thought it was gonna be. So I'm like, is it too dim, too like moody in there?